Hi! In this Access tutorial, we will be looking at why we filter by form and how to execute the task. I already have an Access document open with the books table displayed. Filter by form is one of the most versatile ways in which to select data because it allows you to display records based on more than one type of criteria. So we're able to filter by more than one item. So instead of just filtering by publication date, or instead of just filtering by price or even title, we're able to filter by multiple items. When we use filter by form, it'll hide all of the records and Access will create a blank form in which we'll only see the field names, or as you remember from Excel, column titles, but in Access it's called field names. We will be using filter by form in a datasheet view. So the same view you see here now will be the same view that we're going to be using. The advantage of using filter by form is that it allows us to filter using and as well as or logical operations. In this example, we're going to be using the and logical operation to create a filter that identifies all books published after 2010 with fewer than 100 items in stock. So to do so, once you have the table that you're wanting to filter open, you're going to go up to the Sort and Filter group on the Home tab. We're going to go to Advanced, and we're going to click on Advanced and on the downward arrow. Then we're going to click on Filter by Form. Oops. Once you click on Filter by Form, this is the blank data sheet that shows up with all the hidden data that only displays the field names. So we're wanting to filter by books published after 2010. So you need to find the publication date ID or whichever ID you're using. Click in the box. Since we're wanting to do multiple dates and not just a single date, and we want after, we're going to use logical operations. So we want to see dates that are greater than 2010, so greater than sign, and 2010. But we also wanted to filter by another criterion. So we're going to tab to stock amount, because that was our other amount. We want to filter by fewer than 100 items in stock. So to get fewer than, we want to use the less than sign, and our number was 100. So this data shows us that we want to filter by publication dates of greater than 2010, and then stocked items that are less than 100. Once you have the data that you, or the criteria you want to filter by, we're going to click on the Toggle Filter button. Once we click on Toggle Filter, the table will display the items that meet our criteria. So as you'll see, the publication dates are all after 2010, and all of those have less than 100 items in stock. And that's how you filter by form.